Today I tried something wild. I challenged AI to create the perfect princess and keep her completely consistent across multiple story scenes. No glitches, no random outfit changes, just pure visual perfection. And the best part? I did it all for using ChatGPT. Now here's the real problem with AI storytelling. You design a character once, but in every new image, they come back looking like someone else. Different face, different hair, sometimes even a different species. It's chaos. So I built a solution. Using a smart prompt template inside ChatGPT, I locked in every detail of my character, from her hairstyle and outfit to her accessories and vibe, and created a flawless, reusable design. Meet Princess Liana, 17 years old, long golden hair, heart-shaped sunglasses, a sparkly pink outfit, and a selfie-ready smile. In scene 1, she arrives at the fairytale theme park, phone in hand, ready to capture the magic. Everything we described, nailed. Then I dropped her into scene 2, riding a unicorn carousel. And guess what? Same face, same clothes, same energy. No weird transformations. It's the exact same character in a brand new scene. This workflow means you can now tell complete stories with total consistency, perfect for animations, explainer videos, or even children's books, by using only one AI tool. And that's just the beginning. There are 3 more scenes where Liana explores the park, stars in a parade, and ends her day with a fireworks show. Want to see how I did it? Drop a comment saying, Princess Part 2, and I'll show you how to turn this into a full animated short, complete with voiceover. Smash that like button, share this with your creative friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because next time, we're taking AI storytelling to the next level.